Do you want some apples? Do you want some apples?
Apples for the first time. Gonna be sweet.
Not. Oh.
Maybe tart.
Okay, okay. Okay, you want some more? He's going for it.
He likes them.
Did you see him gag when he swallowed it?
I think they're a little bit tart.
They're gold delicious. You wouldn't think they'd be tart.
Well, compared to
Butternut squash and
butternut
acorn
squash, they are.
Oh, are we just gonna flip the fork? I'm not gonna press the issue.
Maybe we're not ready for apples yet.
You're okay. Alright, we'll try apples another day. I was so excited for you to have apples. I thought you had dessert tonight.
Oh well.
Alright, let's clean you up. Oh, clean yourself up.